How mad on a scale of 1 to 10 will you be at me?
No. Thanks so much to Wagner for sponsoring this video and helping us transform our RV kitchen. We are back in our RV and we are working on our kitchen.
Yay! We are going to transform this classic, outdated RV kitchen into a new, prettier, modern version. The to-do list for this space isn't actually that long.
That's what she says right now.
That's what she said.
That's not what I said.
The to-do list for this space. Painting cabinets and appliances.
Countertop.
Building a countertop. That's it.
And then kind of install the sink and reinstall things, but that's kind of part of it. Yeah, I mean, it's not too bad.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights.
If you have been following along with our RV reno, we previously painted the entire RV and completed our primary suite behind the kitchen wall. Flooring again.
Yay, flooring.
So put this one in
Yeah.
here? Okay.
You gotta take the backing off before you can put it down.
Thanks so much.
Yeah.
Hey, Russell.
Yeah.
Why did the guy hate floors?
I don't know.
He just thought they were beneath him.
It's ridiculous.
Russell's really happy that we have decided to paint the fridge.
I just am hesitant to paint things with plastic or other finishes because the other manufactured finishes are always better.
Some colors would be okay, but I just think this color is gonna clash with the other finishes we have coming into the kitchen. So we decided to paint it. We've taped off all the important stuff. We're gonna degrease this pretty well. Then we're going to use an appliance paint, spray paint on it, and hopefully the combination of those two works really well.
And if it doesn't, then we need a new fridge, and that's coming out of her design budget.
Well. That was worth it.
You were right.
Okay, remember that, YouTube.
See how it stands up?
I am very happy with this.
Yeah.
So we've removed all of the cabinetry and stuff that we can, and what's left in here I am now going to tape off and paint by hand. Everything that we can, including the panels from the fridges and the upper cabinets, we took outside so we can paint spray them because that's just going to be way, way faster than this.
This is the paint we're using. It's Benjamin Moore Advanced. I'm gonna apply this with our paint sprayer. We are using Wagner's Flexio 3500 with the detail nozzle. That's gonna give us a really nice smooth finish on all our cabinet doors. So I'm gonna get that loaded with some paint and start spraying. Looking at the forecast, there is a chance of rain this afternoon, so I quickly set up our spray tent. That way we can just make sure we get a nice smooth finish on all those cabinet doors.
Obviously we can't use real tile or stone in here because it's too heavy for an RV, and nothing I found that was like a faux tile really fit the vibe I wanted. And so I thought maybe if we found a laminate that looked like stone or cement or something like that, we could make it appear like it is stone backsplash and countertop. So that's kind of the vibe I'm going for. I know it's still gonna look like laminate, but I think it will look closer to the modern vision I have than any of the faux tiles will.
Hey, what's going on, Lindy?
Trying to decide what to do about the paint color.
Well, the paint's done.
I like it though.
Oh, what's like here? Why don't you like it?
The color itself is really nice. I would definitely use this color in my life. It just does not match the tone or the vibe that I wanted in the trailer.
So you're saying we have to paint everything again?
I'm thinking of painting it. I know, like, I've been trying to live with it for like 24 hours, but just like it was keeping me up at night.
And you don't like how it like we love this space.
I really love this tone that we did in the bedroom, and this to me just like doesn't vibe correctly with it. Like, I want a deeper tone, maybe something less blue. How mad on a scale of 1 to 10 will you be at me?
I just don't worry about timelines, but that's the face of a wife that just
that
changed.
You love. It's the face of a wife you love.
No. Crap. Don't try and place big pieces of laminate by yourself, because then you waste $180 plus $55 shipping plus BC sales tax.
We officially have both messed up today because I've replaced our paint color and Russell has reordered laminate.
One sheet. And the stupid thing is I went to place it, screwed up, and then you pulled in the driveway like 5 minutes later. So really, it's all her fault because she went to get paint, and if she hadn't got paint, then she would have been.
There's no way you can blame your impatience on me.
I mean, well, we'll see what YouTube says. It's a learning experience for you guys.
Exactly. Hopefully we can do a
Don't try
video.
and place this by yourself. We are gonna quickly respray everything and change to Backwoods by Benjamin Moore. That looks awesome.
Yeah.
I have learned from my previous mistakes, and I needed to come up with a better way for placing these larger sheets. I was actually talking to my mom, and she was saying she used to use, or her and my dad used to use newspaper in between the pieces, because the way the contact cement works is that when the two pieces that have contact cement contact, that's what cements them together, thus contact cement. So if you can have something in between the two layers while you're kind of placing it and getting it aligned, then that's gonna allow you to kind of make sure you don't have bubbles and make sure that everything is lined up properly before you commit to adhering the pieces together. Boom.
Oh, why?
Just kidding.
No, don't do that. So, our RV kitchen is done.
All it took was 2 coats of paint and breaking some laminate. And
2 massive mistakes.
yeah, and that's it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
But this was so worth it.
Yes.
Have you ever seen a nicer RV kitchen?
I have not. And I
You
would not,
haven't.
yeah, and I wouldn't be biased about this at all.
We're really happy with it. I know that it's still gonna function really well for our family. It's gonna function really well as a guest space for people one day.
And it looks good. Huge shout out to Wagner for working with us on this one, because you definitely saved my time when I got to paint these cabinets twice. And let's talk about the paint just for a quick minute. It turned out really nice. Like the cabinets, super smooth finish and no brush strokes. Everything turned out really nice.
As we always do, here is our budget breakdown for this space. We spent a little bit of extra money getting this compact hidden sink, but I would say that that was totally worth it.
This also has an oops line because we had to pay for extra laminate and extra paint. So that wouldn't be included in your budget, hopefully.
Hopefully you have learned from our mistakes.
Yes. We knew we were going to spend a little bit in the kitchen just because we knew we had to change the countertops. The old ones were not going to work whatsoever. And we were like 90% sure. Lindy did have to sell me on it, but we wanted to change the sink because the other sink just didn't really work for our camping needs.
And this just gives us so much more counter space.
Which is more valuable for what we do camping.
So hopefully you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Let us know in the comments. Share it with all of your friends. That helps our YouTube channel grow.
Yeah.
And stay tuned because we are doing the dining/living space next.
And it's going to be a good one. True story.
Always.
Always. Not that any of the other ones were not good ones, but this is exceptionally good.
Exceptionally.
Either of those words will apply. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time.